Then she met me at the college.
My first vitamin or supplement or whatever I take in the morning is biotin. Let's grow your hair.
I hear you like pizza and dancing. Love that is not that romantic. Yeah. I don't have no time for no antics. Smile for the cameras. Oh, they like me now. Go ahead, wipe me down. She don't doubt a man, cause he ain't lock it down. Hey, do you think of me when I'm not around? Jaw hit the ground when you walk around. Looking like, look like art. 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 Shawty, look like. I hear you like pina coladas. Like that, she not one for drama.
I'm telling you now, out of everything I eat today, this is my favorite.
We fell in love in the winter, but I miss you most in the fall. 3 years, 11 months together.
Just went on a walk and now I am going to make my mango mint smoothie.
The sun is coming up again, looking like it's gonna be a problem, cause I'd be lying to you if I said this ain't a thing and I've been looking for a new one. I keep on waiting for the weekend. Gonna hit you up and tell you that I want you, cause I just wanna feel like this again. Oh, oh, oh. All I wanna do is feel awesome. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All I wanna do is feel awesome. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Baby, can you make me feel awesome? Up and down, side to side, and then back and forth. Up all night again, me and you, left and right, and then whoa, whoa, oh, oh. Up and down, side to side, and then back and forth. Up all night again, me and you, left and right, and then whoa. All I wanna do.
This is like my classic. When I first got back into YouTube last year, I had this like every day. It's really good. It's got spinach and spirulina, which is awesome. And literally, I don't even know, it's just like the mint and the, it's so good. And it's really good with vanilla protein powder. So I'm gonna have this for my breakfast and then do class. So it's 12:30, I went to the gym and now I am going to make lunch. I cannot take credit for this lunch. It is from Jacqueline Forbes, what I eat in a day. It is such a yummy salad. So I will show you it and link her video down below. It is so yummy, I love this salad.
Feel awesome. All I wanna do is feel awesome. All I wanna do is feel awesome. I'm in an Uber to your place again. Had a couple fucks but I lost them. I'm sleepwalking in the dark again. Whatever you got, baby, I want one. And now I'm fighting for the sheets again. Sleeping in your bed like I ain't got one. I just wanna feel like this again. Oh, oh, oh. All I wanna do is feel awesome. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All I wanna do is feel awesome. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Baby, can you make me feel awesome? Up and down, side to side, and then back and forth. Up all night again, me and you, left and right, and then whoa, whoa, oh, oh. Up and down, side to side, and then back and forth. Up all night again, me and you, left and right, and then whoa. All I wanna do is feel awesome. All I wanna do is feel awesome.
So this is what it looks like so far. I got some spinach, cucumber, celery, onion, tomato, avocado, chickpeas, dried craisins. I threw in a few peppers, which I don't normally do. Then once my Gardein chicken fingers are done, I'll put that on. But I really have been loving this Gigi's dressing.
Yeah. All I wanna do is feel awesome.
That's the end result, ladies and gents. It's 3:30. I'm going to make a little protein shake smoothie just because, yeah, and I'm going to work soon, so I want to be nice and full for work. So, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And And I've just been doing school. Alright, so it's just blueberry, mango. I did half almond, half water with a little bit of coconut yogurt and a bit of protein. And that is my little snack before work. Just got home from work and I'm hungry, so pasta.
All I wanna do is feel awesome. All I wanna do is feel awesome, awesome, awesome. It ain't the change of the season, no. It ain't the distance from the sun. And I keep looking for reasons. It's you're the only one.
This is such a look for me right now. Yes, but I'm ending my night with, it's Monday night, so Dancing with the Stars is on, so I'm gonna watch Dancing with the Stars, but every night I have tea and chocolate.
We fell in love in the winter. I miss you most in the fall. 3 years, 11 months together.
Alrighty, that's gonna conclude the vlog. I just wanted to also note that I drink water all day throughout this, and I also chew a lot of gum. So those are the only things I didn't include. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you want more what I eat in a day or what you want from me. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one.